This time I would like to explain how to use sound card, or we call sound channel card. So this is purposely to use to cut the sound, the channel. Okay, for example, we have channel 1 and channel 2. So because we're using amplifier without timer, some amplifier have timer, we not need. For this one, we use one sound. For example, we're gonna use external sound with one amplifier. So we need to cut exactly for the external sound and for the pulling sound. Pulling sound that means is suara tarik dalam, and external is mean auto. Auto we can divide to two lah. I mean one is for hexagon or estro. Some people they calling estro, hexagon, atau kita panggil suara tiang luar. So in this time I would like to sharing. So kita akan cut. We're going to cut the channel. So for this one, this is sound card, sound timer. So they just come with the power lah. We need to use this timer. So we also need the power. So this is power also. We put the timer. This is mean timer for amplifier to on off this amplifier. But this timer we use for cut, untuk potong suara channel. So for this one, so yang very simple. For this one, I'm gonna use this timer to cut my hexagonal tweeter outdoor. Normally for hexagonal tweeter, I gonna on 7 in the morning, and then I close for rest about 11, and on back on 3 o'clock. Atau if we gonna use 24 hours punya set on the watch, so 24 jam, kita buka 7 pagi dan kita akan off-kan untuk rehat pada pukul 11 ataupun pukul 12. So kalau ikut saya punya cara, saya akan tutup pukul 11 dan akan buka balik pada jam 4 ataupun jam 5. Sebab hexagon kita tak perlu buka pun setiap masa. Hanya di LMB atau kita panggil lubang masuk burung, first entrance. I also akan gunakan ini, dan ada setengah yang saya tak gunakan. Saya akan buka sama dengan suara tarik. Tapi setting on my birdhouse, so saya akan ada yang saya set on hexagon, dan ada juga saya letakkan timer cut ni untuk suara di LMB. Because why? Kita akan tutup secara bertahap, step by step. Kita akan tutup daripada hexagon, lepas tu sound LMB kita tutup, and then last sekali suara tarik di dalam kita akan tutup menggunakan yang min switch. So kita hanya menggunakan satu suara untuk suara panggil, suara di hexagon, dan suara tarik. So kita tak menggunakan 2 atau 3 suara panggil. Jika kawan-kawan nak buat lain, mungkin nak menggunakan suara lebih daripada 1, 2 dia, itu boleh saja. Saya pun juga ada. Tapi yang saya gunakan ni dia lebih meyakinkan, dan kita sudah melalui banyak R&D dengan menggunakan satu suara, tapi kita akan mainkan suara itu off on step by step. Itu rasanya lebih bagus yang untuk ini. So as we can see, this is my setting. This we call, for example, this one is hexagonal or LMB, which we going to cut off dia punya suara. So saya akan masukkan di sini. Ini untuk channel R1. So the wire, this wire goes to amplifier, and then the output goes to hexagonal or to other tweeter, which you are going to cut the sound channel. Okay. So for others, for amplifier, we're still using the same one. So we're still using the min timer for this one. So this min timer you can set 7 to following the suara tarik dalam. Normally suara tarik dalam, or we call external guiding sound, we're gonna close about 11 or 12 midnight. Some customer they close very late until morning also, it's okay for new house. should be no problem. I have tried, but some people they don't like. You say you're gonna set until 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock. It's okay. Yeah, what you have to do is you see what the birdhouse improvement. So you need to observe. You observe how the improvement your birdhouse. Is it because of the setting your birdhouse is getting slow or no bird come in? So it's possibly yes, possibly no. It's depend of the location lah. So I just want to do some standard setting for birdhouse. So I only cut the hexagon, and then I cut for the LMB also. Some I just for some birdhouse I also use this one to cut the hexagon only, and then I leave it LMB or the first entrance run following the suara tarik. But for new house I suggest you need to off one by one. One by one. So ini